This is Drive with Bryan. My name's Bryan Anderson. I'm an Iraq war veteran, triple amputee, and I'm going to take you around my daily life and show you what I can do using this Quantum Outback. Today on Drive with Bryan, we're going to cut down a tree with a chainsaw. But don't go crazy, it's not dangerous, it's not a big tree, it's really small and it's really dead. It's going to be really easy. But the cool thing is I'd never be able to get to it without the Outback. So this is going to allow me to get to it, clear it out, and I'm going to be planting some new trees in a little while. If you want to call it a tree. Big boy toys. Alright, I'm gonna have to get down for this one. But see, this is the tree I'm talking about. What a monster, right? I'm definitely gonna be a lumberjack after this one. That was easy. First tree I ever cut down.